So absolutely unbelievable this morning. It's a work day, it's Monday morning, and we've got heavy snow, and I'm just looking there, we must have 2.5 inches. So this is going to be interesting. So like I say, we've had a good 4 inches here of snow this morning. So I've just managed now to get the van back in all the snow. I did get stuck. I couldn't make it to the main road. It's that deep. I'm just trying to work out really how much is on the roads, and I'm going to go 4 inches, but it's still coming down like nobody's business now. So really not good. It's absolutely amazing, isn't it? Like yesterday, Sunday, when nobody was going work, they said we were going to have an absolute ton, and we had nothing. And now today, because people are at work, we've got a stack, and it's the first day back. Schools today as well, and things like that. Yeah, so like I say, schools are back today, and most people are back at work. So I'd imagine it's going to be absolutely chaos on the roads. It's very windy as well. I'm actually struggling here with the umbrella. So I couldn't get actually here to Mount Road. I was getting stuck, but now I'm here. Blimey. It's bad. Look at this. And the snow is still coming down in absolute buckets, so it's not good at all. So that car that just come up, that was a big 4-wheel drive that did make it up quite easy. So we'll keep walking down now. We'll keep try and get to Kidsgrove Bank. And we'll have a look in a minute what Kidsgrove Bank's like. Well, as I say, the snow is coming down at the moment in buckets. If you have a look there on that light, it's really bad. So look how much snow's actually on the pavements here. It's amazing. And like I say, you can see there at the mow how it's coming down. We have got a couple of cars coming here. I don't know where they've come from. Here at the children's playing area. It's absolutely white over. Trees look absolutely beautiful. So look at the trees here. Wow. They just look absolutely colossal. Like I say, I can't believe how much snow we've had this morning. I'm going to just have a look before I start heading down in a minute as well at the football fields. And just see what they are like. So the fields are here. Let's just duck under here and have a look here. It looks beautiful. We have had somebody, by the looks of it, walking across here. And there's a massive flood there, so I'm going to struggle to get much closer for you, but look at that. That just looks absolutely phenomenal. And there's getting more and more traffic, as you can see now, but they're struggling to get along the road. They're going very slow. So that's not a good sign. And as we start getting more traffic, that's when we start getting more and more problems, really. And the snow is coming down still just as heavy as it was earlier on. I think the gritter must have been down because it is starting to open up now. The road is a little bit there. I don't know what it's like further down. Like I say, these trees, they just look absolutely beautiful. So we're keeping heading down now towards Kidsgrove Bank. Coming down Mount Road, it's actually hard work to walk. It's that deep, the snow is that you're walking in. Traffic's still quite quiet. So I would say people are struggling to get out of the houses. Not seeing much coming up, it's generally all going down. On the junction of Whitfield Road there now, and there's a van just made its up there. It's like I said to you, just there's nothing coming up at all. It's all going down. So I don't know whether it's blocked at the bottom and you can't get up. We'll have to have a look as we go down in a minute. Look at the trees there. Trees look absolutely beautiful, covered in all this snow. There's one or two cars still coming down, but like I say, I've only seen one car coming up at the moment. Let's have a look at the trees again there, and there's one or two more cars coming that way now again, coming down. So we're going to keep carrying on. There's actually a car making it up here, a little van. I don't know how he's done that. So it's 7:10 in the morning. I suppose in the next half an hour, when more people start coming out, it is going to get really, really bad, and I suppose the traffic's going to get chaos as well. I left home this morning at 6:15. Tried to get the van out, struggled to get the van out of the drive and couldn't make it to the main road. And that's why I'm now walking. So we've made it now to the parklands. I've just spoke to this guy in this car here, and he doesn't know what to do because he lives at the end of the parklands and struggled to get off. It's a lovely, lovely winter scene here this morning. It's remarkable. It's unbelievable. Down the bank here, cars are really, really going slow as they come down. So like I say, we have got cars coming up now, so it looks like the gritter has been up and it's starting work, but the problem's going to be, and I say the next half an hour, the sheer volume of traffic with everybody going so slow probably nothing is going to get anywhere. We'll have to see. But the bank here does look quite good. But they are coming down really, really slow. And your problem is at the moment, don't forget as well, is how much snow is still falling. We've still got a lot of snow coming down yet. So all the side roads are just treacherous. I've noticed in the last 5 minutes how much more traffic is starting to come. So I think people have been a bit shocked this morning when they've woke up and seen how much snow we've actually had. Look at that tree there, how beautiful that looks. And as I say, if I look into that light, you can see how much snow's coming down. So traffic's gone quite light again, really, at the moment. Looks as if people have abandoned cars here, look you. That's obviously before the Greta came out. That car just looks like it's been abandoned at the side of the road there. I just spoke to somebody walking the other way as well, and they've tried to get work and they've actually left their car now on Tesco and started walking back towards home. There's a car hazarding just across the road. I don't know whether he's been stuck and he's come back now, see if he can get going again. So just here now, we've got an absolute massive flood. Look at this. There's that much water come down. We're completely, totally and utterly flooded there. It's unbelievable. Let's try across the road here. But yeah, there's a lot of water come down there. Kidsgrove Bank does look passable with very slushy. So it looks like the Greta's just been up here. Let's have a look. But as I say, what's going to happen in a minute is going to be the sheer volume of traffic that's going to catch everybody. We're walking up Longrow now, and like I say, it's snowing like Bellio. Snow's quite deep. It's been a hard walk down, really, in the snow. With it being so deep, look how much snow's on that car there. And like I say, the snow is still coming down really hard. Now, saying there's a school up Ravenscliff here, It doesn't look like it's been gritted at all. So I would say cars are really going to struggle to get up here. So that's the condition of Ravenscliff Road this morning. And like I say, it's a bit like my road. I did attempt to get the van off but couldn't get to the main road, got stuck. Let's carry on. We'll walk along the road here. It's actually easier than try and walk along the pavement in the deep snow. Look at the snow as we come along here, and the snow and all the trees. So the snow is still coming down quite heavy. I don't know what time it's going to stop. So we'll wait probably an hour now and then have to make a decision to what we're going to do about game work. So it's quite thick here on Ravenscliff Road, and it's a good job I haven't been able to come down here in the van this morning, because there's that many parked cars again outside the house, people parking from down the road, that I wouldn't be able to park near the house, and I'll certainly struggle to get up the drive because of the bank. So here we go, I've made it to Mum's, so we'll end the film there, and like I say, we'll see now in another hour just what the situation's like, and then make a decision from there.